guys? Welcome back to the Zoe and Chauncey show. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give it a huge thumbs up. So today, guys, we're going to be doing dirt worms. So let's get started. Pick one. I want the middle. I want this one. I'm going to get...
Show them.
Look, guys. Okay. First time trying. Yeah, first time. It's my first time. Let's taste what this part is.
That's the dirt.
The one it's crushed up Oreos. And this, I found the blue worm.
How do you know it's blue? Oh, I see.
I got a yellow worm and a red. I got a yellow worm and a red worm. I got a blue worm. No, it's an orange worm. Okay, here's one.
Some of them is not worms. They're some other kind of bug. I didn't really look at it. I was afraid to look at them bugs in there.
What if they made a little cricket gummy?
What's
that? Ooh, you know those frog gummies? What if they put those in here? That was good.
Look down. I don't know if this is a worm or not. It'll look like a worm, so.
Let me see.
It's not even a worm. I got the same one.
No, I think that's like a little bug, some other kind of bug.
I had an orange one and a yellow one, but I can't find nothing else.
I got a worm.
There's only two.
I only had two. No.
Only had two.
Because we got to make some more, so I had to save some. Next time I buy some extra worms and put in there. How it tastes?
Good. Good. It's put in here too. You got this.
Yes, it is.
You got this from Dollar Tree.
No.
Where did you get it from so they can try it?
I believe I get it from Aldi's. I'm trying to remember where I got it from. I think I got it from Aldi's.
So good.
But they can get it from Jewel's because it's by Jell-O, and Jell-O is a very brand name
and it's
company.
It's a Dollar Tree too.
It is.
Yeah, I saw one there.
Well, I didn't. I think I paid way more than $1 for it.
I'm done. I'm done.
Done, okay. All right. Anybody want another one?
No, not right now.
Okay. She looks like she
I
wants
would.
another.
It's good.
Okay.
Let me take this.
All right.
I hope I get more than one. I mean two. Oh, I found one already. What is this? I found a blue one already. I found actually two already. I think so. I don't know.
Found the red
I found the blue one. Only. Is it that one? I don't know. What is it? Okay, because I see something. Oh wait, what is? Oh, that's that. I only have one.
You have to buy your cups separately, though. The cups don't come with it.
What they cost? How much these cups cost by yourself or in like one little pack?
I got them free. No, I didn't get them free. What happened was that I saved them from Jell-O that I had, so I can use them to make this.
The buds are tops.
Because I thought that this was already made in a cup.
What about
and all
this?
you had to do was take it out of the box. I didn't know I was going to have to make it.
it.
Yeah.
What about
It came with tops.
The tops
From those slime containers.
from the sauces that we get when we order food.
Yeah, mouse sauce stuff.
Yeah, well,
That I keep the containers for our slime.
So good.
So actually, I didn't get the cups free. I got Jell-O, and I bought Jell-O, and then I got the cups. The Jell-O was good.
What type of
About a
Jell-O?
whole case of Jell-O. I had fruit punch, I had lime, I had orange, and I had grape Jell-O.
Grape? I
There
don't
was
like grape.
4 different kinds.
Grape
but I
tastes
had a
like
whole
grape
case
Jell-O
of
tastes
Jell-O.
like medicine.
I know,
All
right?
of it tastes good to me.
I wish every food in the world was this.
You wish every food in the world was that.
What are some people allergic
so
to
good.
chocolate and stuff?
Well, they can go.
It's so good. Yummy, yummy to the tummy, tummy.
I wish every food was made of
Vegetables.
cotton,
Vegetables.
vegetables.
Ugh. Yum. I like carrots. I hate vegetables. You don't like carrots?
I wish every food was made with cabbage and
And roast
Carrots,
beef.
no cabbage and
Roast beef.
corned beef.
yeah, corned beef and cabbage.
That's my favorite
Corned beef
and
is
cabbage.
delicious. I like hot sauce.
Can
Corned beef is expensive too.
corned beef costs like $15.
I know how to say bye. in
$20
Spanish.
at the most.
Say.
Or like $10 at the most.
Granny, I know how to say.
When I have enough money, I'm going to have a seafood diet. And I'm going to eat nothing but shrimps and crab legs and lobster.
Crab legs delicious. Save me some. Save me some.
I'm going to get you some.
I'm
You
gonna
can't eat any.
I'm gonna take some medicine to get some.
Give me,
better talk to the
send me
doctor
some
about
crab
that
legs.
I want
Send
some
me,
crawfish.
So the doctor can give you the right kind of medicine.
send me
for
some
your
crab
allergy.
legs.
Of course.
Save me some crawfish.
Crawfish. I haven't never had any crawfish. I don't know how that tastes. I don't even know how to cook it or how to eat it because it seems like it's kind of
Sometimes
difficult to cook.
in a different state of Louisiana, you could get it for free. I mean, not for free. You could get it already cooked.
You can probably get it already cooked here. I think they had it already cooked here at Jewel's before. I remember my girlfriend asked to taste it. But I didn't, because she asked for a sample of it, but I didn't ask for no sample. I didn't want it.
Yeah,
Granny, you know how to say bye?
They gave her,
Do
they
you?
gave her one. She said,
Granny,
tastes all
he
right.
said he know how to say bye in Spanish.
Say it.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
Well, adios to you too.
Adios. Amigo.
Adios, adios.
What is amigo in Spanish?
I don't know.
Or saying something.
Adios, amigo, means bye.
My friend.
Bye, friend. Oh.
If you ever ask
Adios, amigo.
I was just say adios. I know how to say,
Maybe someone will comment down below and tell us what it means.
I know how to say a
Because
word.
I'm quite
I
sure
know how-
someone on YouTube know what it means.
I know-
They know everything on YouTube.
Granny, I know how to say do you want to be my friend in Spanish? Get set to amigo.
Okay, camera getting hot. It's gonna cut off. So are we gonna say bye?
Bye, guys. Make sure you give a big thumbs up.
Comment down below. And subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.